I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Hello everyone. Yes, today we are working again on this BMW X5 from 2005. It's got a lot of issues. It's a pile of shit. Previous owner didn't take care of this car at all. This means now we have to do it. Now you might ask, what is actually wrong with it now? Well, my parking sensors are not working. Every time when I'm engaging the reverse gear, I'm getting a constant beep from the parking sensors. After a couple of seconds, they just shut off and they don't work anymore. There is a way to actually check which of your parking sensors are not working without a computer. To access the parking sensors and replace them, we are gonna have to take the front bumper off. But before that, let me show how the parking sensors are acting. So let's switch on our ignition first. Let's get to our parking sensor button over here and look at this. And you see how it's flashing? That's an indicator that parking sensors are not working. Now let's get to the front of the car and show you how to check if your parking sensors are working and which one of them is not working. To do that, we are gonna need to let the parking sensors on. To check which of the sensors is not working, you have to come close to the sensors and get your finger to the sensor, and you're gonna hear clicking noise. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show it to you, but let me get the microphone close. And let's see if you're gonna hear it. Can you hear it? This parking sensor is good. Let's check another one. We've got no clicking noise from this one. This one's not working. Check this one. No clicking noise from this one. And no clicking noise from this one. So the only sensor which is working in the front is over here. Is this one over here. So this is how you check which parking sensor is not working on your car. The bumper on these cars are coming off very easily. You have got two bolts over here, two 8mm bolts over here on this side, two of them on another side, two 8mm bolts over here, and five 8mm bolts underneath the car. You will see them if you're going to get under it. There is also a couple of 10mm bolts. Two of them are under the fog lights cover. Two of them are under the tow hook cover. And two of them are actually right underneath the number plate.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till
I'm not gonna actually take off the tow hook cover because on this car those 10mm bolts here are missing.
till I hear him say.
Now, the only thing that is holding the bumper to the car is the clips over here. Be very careful with them because they tend to break, especially if the plastic has got old and is very, very brittle. You see, just have to pry it out and do the same on another side. The bumper's off. Now that the bumper's off, we are going to need a bucket, and I'm going to tell you in a second why do we need it for. First of all, take the bumper off. You will have to undo your fog lights connector. These are actually the parking sensors connector. Fog lights. And here is the headlight washers connector. So to remove a bumper, you actually have to drain the headlight washer bottle. It has a clip over here and it's gonna come out. So now that our bumper is off and we remember that only this sensor worked fine, these three didn't. The only thing we have to do, take the sensors out and replace them with a new one. Well, not new one, a good used one.
Me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy. And silently it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer, no exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders.
And this is how you replace your parking sensors. Not very hard, bumpers coming easily off, sensors are coming easily off. Now let's attach the bumper back to the car, don't put anything yet back together, and let's check if the parking sensors are actually working. We are now in the car, so let's turn the ignition on. We've got washer fluid low, check front fog lamps, yeah, because I didn't connect them. Washer fluid is low because, why? Because we drained it. Now, let's check our parking sensors. Let's press the button. Yo! They're actually working. They're constantly beeping right now because my car is parked right next to a bush over there. They're working. So now that we have confirmed that the parking sensors are working properly, we have to do everything in the reverse order. Don't forget any connections loose and fill a washer fluid bottle. This is it. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, you know the drill, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!